What's up? And welcome to my Monstalung Soundvizion YouTube channel. My name's Monstalung, and Soundvizion is my entertainment group. On this channel, you'll find a lot of videos that I've done in the past with my Soundvizion artists and nonprofit programs I've done in the past. Currently, we have two video series running on this channel. One's called Blind Faith Beats. It's basically in-studio production, live performances, and beat videos. The other series is called Browns in Our Blood. I'm a big Cleveland Browns fan, and I love talking Cleveland Browns football. So, if you like that, please check out the videos. Please subscribe to the videos, comment, and like. I love talking to my people on the videos. Once again, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, like and comment, and man, see you on some videos.